This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Begin by drawing a 3-5-inch circle for the head and a larger oval for the body below it. Use light strokes so you can erase later. These are guides, not final lines. Place the head so its center sits 1/3 above the top of the body oval for a balanced proportion. Sketch guidelines, a vertical center line and horizontal eye line halfway down the head circle. Add 2 small circles for ears at 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock on the head. Draw 2 oval eyes on the eye line and a rounded triangle nose centered on the vertical guideline. Place a short, curved mouth line below the nose and add a small tongue or teeth if you want an expression. Map limb positions. Front paws attach near the lower third of the body oval and hind legs at the back. Mark joints with small circles. Use short, curved strokes to suggest loose fur direction on head, shoulders, and joints to show volume and movement. Build form with 3 tonal levels: light, mid, and dark to imply volume. Identify a light source and keep it consistent. Shade the belly and the underside of limbs darker, add midtones on flanks, and place highlights on the muzzle and eyes. Blend with a stump or soft brush and keep fur strokes short, about 1/4 inch long to mimic hair texture. Refine lines, erase construction marks, and add final details like whiskers, claws, and subtle color accents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.